Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Verify the kit contains powder, brush, adhesive tape, fingerprint cards, and a UV light so you won't interrupt the workflow. Put on nitrile gloves and mask. This prevents oils from your skin contaminating evidence. Select a small, definable area, and once ready, hold the brush at a 45 degrees angle and apply powder with light circular strokes. This picks up residue without smudging. Make sure to dust slowly. You're revealing ridges, not blasting the surface away. Once the print appears, photograph it immediately with a scale and frame to preserve the original context. Next, cut a strip of clear adhesive tape, slightly larger than the print, press it down smoothly without stretching, and lift in a single steady motion to avoid distortion. Make sure to mount the tape onto the provided fingerprint card, aligning the print. Label the card with location, date, and time. This maintains chain of custody and helps later comparison or analysis. To finish, store each mounted print flat in a protective sleeve, away from heat and direct light so pigments and adhesive don't degrade. If a lift is faint, try a contrast powder, fluorescent powder under UV, or consider cyanoacrylate fuming for non-porous surfaces. These methods enhance ridge detail. Make sure to document every step and photograph failed attempts too. That transparency explains your choices during review. If tape wrinkles, re-photograph and label as compromised rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.